So students, today we are going to learn about the pronoun. Okay. So what is the pronoun? You know that what is pronoun? Pronoun means a word which use instead of noun. Okay. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun to avoid the monotony of the repetition. Okay, so that is the pronoun. Okay, so understood. Pronoun is a word which we use instead of a noun. Okay, so how? See, there is some examples. Okay, so 1 minute. Yeah, see, here is an example. Okay, so see here, Ram is a boy. Ram reads in class 7. Ram is a good athlete. Ram works hard. Ram obeys his parents, and Ram is an ideal student. So here in this sentence, in this paragraph, okay, they wrote all about the Ram. Okay, so Ram is a boy, reads in class 7th. Okay, okay, Ram is a good athlete. Ram works hard. Ram obeys his parents. Ram is an ideal student. Okay, so see here, in those sentences, Ram is repeated again and again. So Ram is repeated again. So what is we can use here pronoun also. Okay, for avoid the repetition of the noun, for avoid the repetition, for avoid the monotony of the repetition. Okay, Ram, 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 Ram. Okay, so we need to avoid this. Okay, so instead of that noun, Ram is a noun. Okay, so instead of Ram, we need to use the pronoun here. Okay, and we use the pronoun to avoid the noun. Okay, so see here. So see here, here is a boy Ram has been described and a few of his qualities has been said. That is, he work hard, he obeys his parents, he is ideal students, and he is also a good athlete. But the repeated of a noun lets the beauty of writing fade away, and hence we need to replace the noun by a pronoun. Okay, when we use pronoun in place of the noun, then it preserves the beauty of writing. It preserves the beauty of writing. So we need to use the pronoun instead of. So see here, how can we write? First we need to write, means we have to start the sentence with the pronoun. Sorry, noun. Okay, so in this sentence, the Ram is a subject. Okay, Ram is a noun. Also we can say, so Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. So he reads in class 7th. Then he is a good athlete. He works hard. He obeys his parents, and he is an ideal student. Okay, so what here now, as the pronoun, he has replaced with the Ram, which is noun. Okay, and the sentence are very much pleasing to read. Okay, so see, Ram is a boy, he reads class 7th, he is a good athlete, he works hard, he obeys his parents, and he is an ideal student. Okay, so now as a pronoun, he has replaced the noun. Sentences are very much pleasing to read, and pronoun saves the noun from getting repeated and also beautifies the sentence. Okay, so here I hope you understood this. Now we are moving on the types of the pronoun. Okay, so see, types of the pronoun. So first type is the personal pronoun. First type is the personal pronoun. Okay. Then second one is the reflexive pronoun. Third one is the indefinite pronoun. Next one is the demonstrative pronoun. and next one is the relative pronoun, and last one is the interrogative pronoun. So first one is personal pronoun. Okay, first one is the personal pronoun. Okay, so tell me student, which pronouns are there? Okay, you know that some pronouns are there. So which are the pronoun? You know, I, we, you, then he, then she, then it, and okay, these all are the pronoun. Okay, these all are the pronoun, and these all pronouns is in the subject form. Okay. Sometimes we use the pronoun in an objective form, but we need to convert them in the objective. Sometimes we use the pronoun in the adjective form, so that time we need to convert them in the adjective. Okay, so see here, now we are going to learn about the types of the pronoun. So first we are going to learn about the personal pronoun. Okay, so what is personal pronoun? Pronouns that indicate persons, thing, animal, etc. Okay, the pronouns that indicate persons, things, animal, etc. are called the personal pronoun. Okay, these personal pronouns used in the place of names of animals, names of people, or names thing. Okay, so see, in English grammar there are three types of personal pronoun. Okay, so first one is the first person personal pronoun, second one is the second person, and third one is the third person. Okay, so see, what is first person? You know that. Now who is talking? Okay, who is talking? That first person. The speaker is the first person pronoun. Speaker means if I talking, then if we are talking, okay, if I am talking, then it is first person pronoun. If we are talking, then it is also the first person pronoun. Okay, then me, us, my, our, mine, and ours are the pronoun of the first person. Okay, these are the first person pronoun. Means see, who is speaking. Okay, who is talking. If now I am talking, then I am the first person pronoun. Okay, now see, what is second person pronoun? Second person pronoun means a listener. Okay, with whom I am talking. See, with whom I am talking, that is the second person, means the listener. Okay, so listener is the second person. Okay, you, your, and yours are the pronoun of second person. These students, the first person means the speaker, who is speaking. Second person means with whom is speaking, with whom is talking. Okay, now third person means what? Okay, so third person means about whom is speaking or about whom is talking. Okay, about whom is speaking or about whom is talking, that is the third person pronoun. Okay, he, she, it, they, him, her, then, his, her, its, there are the pronouns of the third person. These are the third person pronoun. Okay, so first person means the speaker, second person means the listener, means uh, whom is talking, and the third person means the about whom is talking. Okay, so I hope you understood till here. Okay, so now see uses of the personal pronoun. Okay, so see, first we use the personal pronoun as subject. Okay, so see, first we use the personal pronoun as subject. Okay, in subject case. Okay, so see, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, this is the subjective pronoun. Okay, this is the these are the pronoun which are in the form of the subject. Okay, so see here, these pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Okay. So see, now some pronouns we use in the object form. Okay. Some pronouns we use in the object form. Okay. So see, which are the objective pronoun, that is me, us, you, him, her, it, and them. Okay. So some pronouns are in possessive case. Possessive, okay. So possessive case, which are the my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Okay, my home, my pen, our home. Okay, then my brother, his brother. Okay, that is possession. Okay, my pen means that is my pen. Okay, so it is a possession. Okay, so my pen, my cycle. Okay, his home, his brother, her sister. Okay, so that is the pronoun which are in the possessive case. Okay, now reflexive pronoun, myself. Okay, ourselves, yourselves, then himself, herself, itself, and themselves. These are the reflexive pronoun. Okay, these are the reflexive pronoun. Okay, so what is the subject pronoun? So see, subject pronoun replaces a noun as the subject of a sentence or clause. Okay, they are one of the easiest pronoun to identify. Look for the persons or thing having a direct effect on the action. Okay, so see here, I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. Okay, these are the subjective pronouns. So I and we is a first person. Okay, means they are the speaker. I and we is the first person, means they are the speaker. Okay, and you is a second person pronoun. See, I and we are the first person pronoun. I and we are the first person pronoun. Then you is the second person pronoun. Only you is the second person pronoun. Okay, means the listener. Okay, now see, he, she, it, and they. These are the third person pronoun. Means about whom we are talking. Okay, so I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. These are the subject pronoun. These are the subject pronoun, means this pronoun we use as a subject in the sentence. So see, in the first side first slide we saw one example, that is Ram is a boy. Ram is a boy. Okay, and instead of that, Ram is a noun. Okay, and instead of that we use the he. Okay, means we use he as a subject. Ram is the subject of that sentence. Okay, and after that we use he as a instead of the Ram. So he. Okay, he was the subject of that sentence. Okay, so he is a subject. Okay, and we use the he as a subject in that sentence. Okay, so see now the object in the form of the object. Okay, so pronoun which is in the form of the object. Okay, so see here, sometimes we use some pronouns as a object in the sentence. Okay, So what is objective object pronoun? What is object pronoun? An object pronoun is not the subject of the sentence, and it usually the object that is affected in the some way by the subject sentence. Okay, so see, let's see some examples. Mary ate the ice cream. Okay, so see here I am giving you one example that Mary ate the ice cream. Here in this subject, sorry, in this sentence, so see here I am giving you one example that Mary ate the ice cream. Okay, Mary ate the ice cream. Okay, so see in this sentence, Mary is the subject of the sentence. Okay, and predicate is ate the ice cream. Okay, Mary is the subject, and which is the predicate? It means ate the ice cream. Okay, and which is the verb here? That is ate. Ate is the verb. Okay, so see the ice cream is the object in this is the verb, and the ice cream is the ice cream is the object here. Okay, so the ice cream is the object in this sentence. Okay, so see here, Mary, we can write the sentence like that. Mary ate it. Okay, so we can use the pronoun it in instead of the ice cream. Okay, Mary ate it. Okay, so see in this sentence. So see, second sentence means the Mary ate it. Okay, this sentence is also functions the same way as the first. Okay, means except it function as an object pronoun. Okay, so see, simply put the pronoun is being affected in some way by the main noun or the subject of the sentence. Okay, and it should be too much more complicated than that. Okay, so see students, we can use the pronoun as a object also uh, in the sentence. Okay, so see second sentence also I am telling you. See here, it is my favorite book. Okay, it is my favorite book. Okay, and I like to read it. So see, in the sentence, I like to read it. Okay, so I use it instead of the favorite book. Means here in this sentence, I use it as a object. Okay, so here we can use the pronoun as an object in the sentence. Okay, so first, we have seen the pronoun which we use as a subject in the sentence. Okay, and second one, we learn that the pronoun which we use as an object in the sentence. Okay, so Mary ate it. Okay, in this sentence we use it as an object. Okay, instead of the ice cream. Okay, now see, I hope you understood it here. Again, see the pronoun which we use. Okay, so pronoun which we use as a possessive case. Okay, as a possessive case. Okay, so I already told you my pen. Okay, my house, his brother, his sister means when we noted the possession. When we noted the possession, that is the possessive pronoun. Okay, so with the possessive pronoun, it's need to write the noun also. Okay, my pen. Pen is a noun. Pen is a noun. So with the possessive pronoun, we need to write the noun also. Okay. So see what is possessive pronoun. So possessive pronoun do exactly what it seems like they should do. They are the pronouns that help us show the possession or ownership in a sentence. Okay, there are two type of possessive pronouns. The strong possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. Okay, and they refers back to the noun or noun phrases already used, replacing to replacing it to avoid the repetition. Okay, so see, when I'm saying that it is my phone, it is my phone. So we can say that the phone is mine. The phone is mine. Okay, so in that way also we can use the pronoun. Okay, it is my phone. It is my phone. Okay, so we can say that the phone is mine. The phone is mine. Okay, now say second, the with possessive pronouns are called the possessive adjectives also. Possessive adjective. Okay, so now we have to learn that possessive adjective. Okay, so these one. Okay, so see here, possessive adjective are mine, yours, his, her, its, our, then you are and there. Okay, and they function as determiners in front of the noun to describe who something belongs to. See example, this is my phone. This is my phone. Okay, so we are saying, we are showing the possession on the ownership of the phone. Okay, means this is the my phone. This is my brother. Okay, so means here we are showing our possession on the particular person, particular thing. So that is the possessive pronoun. Okay, so see here. So see here, one more example I am telling you. This is my brother. This is my brother and his name is Alex. Okay, so see, one more example I am giving you here, that this is my drawing book. Okay, and this is my drawing book and I like it. Okay, so means that we are showing the possession on the drawing book. Okay, so these are the possessive pronoun my, our, then her, his, her, its, and their. Okay, now see reflexive pronoun. Okay, so what is the reflexive pronoun? So reflexive pronouns means these are the pronoun that reflects back to the subject. Okay, reflects back to the subject, that is myself, ourself, yourself, then himself, herself, itself, and themself. These are the reflexive pronoun. Okay. Now see, there are some examples. Okay, so see, Goldie wants to talk to you. Okay, so in this sentence, Goldie wants to talk to you. Okay, so you is the which one? Second person pronoun. Okay, which one? Second person pronoun. Okay, he did not know his new bicycle. Okay, so see here, see this sentence. See in this second sentence here, we need the word no. Okay, he did not know his new bicycle. Okay, so in this sentence, he is a personal pronoun which is in the subject form. Okay, and his new bicycle means there is a bicycle and it is possession of him. Okay, so see, his new bicycle means this pronoun is in the form of the possession. Okay, so see, his is a possessive pronoun. Okay, so next one is here. The horse was moving its tail. Okay, the horse was moving its tail. So in this sentence here, which pronoun is used? That is the its. That is it. So see here, So see here, it's the so see here in this chart, where is it? It is here. Okay, so it is a possessive pronoun. Okay, so see in this sentence, it is used as a possession. Tail. Okay, tail is a possession. Tail is the which is the owner of the tail. That is the horse. Okay, so the horse was moved. So see here, horse was moving its tail. Okay. So next example, Jia said that the bangles was hers. Okay. Jia said that the bangles was hers. Okay. So in this sentence, hers. Okay. So hers is used as a pronoun in this sentence. Okay. So see, Jia said that the bangles was hers. Hers means whom? That Jia's only. Okay. So see, hers. So see hers here. Where is the hers? That is here. Okay. Hers means what? Means that is the possession. Means that is the ownership. Means that the bangle is of the only Gia. Okay. So see in this sentence also the possessive pronoun is used. Okay. So Gia said that the bangles was hers. Okay. Now see next one. Nidhi has not come today. Do you know where she is? So in this sentence for Nidhi. So in this sentence for Nidhi, so see, Nidhi has not come today. Do you know where she is? Okay. So see, for Nidhi here in the second sentence, they use the she for the Nidhi. Okay. So repeating the, avoid the repetition of the noun. They use the pronoun instead of the noun. Okay. So see, the pronoun is a word we use instead of a noun, okay, and we use as a subject, we use as an object, we use to show the possession also. Now, second one is the indefinite pronouns. Okay, so see, students, we are just we are stopped here. Okay, now we are ending our lesson here. Okay, so see here. Today we learn about the pronoun. Okay, so first we have learned the definition of the pronoun. Okay, so what is the definition? A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Okay, and does the work of a noun. So we learned the definition. Then I told you the example. Okay, so we saw here the examples of the pronoun. Okay, so after that I told you all the types of the pronoun. That is personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, then indefinite pronoun, then demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. Okay, so we learn all. I told you all the types of the pronoun. Then we saw the first type, that is personal pronoun, and first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. Okay, so what is the first person pronoun? First person pronoun means the speaker. Okay, so who is talking, who is speaking? That is I, we, me, us, my, mine, or ours. That is the first person pronoun. Okay, so second person means with whom is talking, with whom you are talking. That is the second person, means the listener is the second person. Okay, means you is the second person pronoun. You, yours, you, your, and yours. That is the second person pronoun. That third one is the third person pronoun. Okay, so third person means the about whom you are talking, about whom you are speaking. That is the third person pronouns, means he, she, it, then he, her, then them, it's, there. These are the third person pronoun. Okay, so